going to be talking about equivalent expressions. And remember, when we talk about equivalent, it means same. Alright? So let's go ahead and read the first problem. Example 1. Which expression is equivalent to 9q squared minus 2 over 3 parentheses 3q minus 7 plus 5q squared? So here, my important word is equivalent, which means same. And since I have a Q, I'm going to use control bar. Control bar. And remember, we always start with 3 control bar. And then my letter is Q. Q, enter. So I'm going to go to my calculator screen, calculator. I'm going to do 3 control bar Q. Where's Q? Q, enter. And it just shoots back 3. That's okay. My second step to remember is everywhere that Q doesn't have a little 2 or a number on top, we have to put a 1. So put a 1 on every single one. And then now we're going to put this inside the calculator, just like we see it. 9Q squared minus, make sure you press down, minus per control divide for 2 over 3 parentheses 3q, put that 1 on top, minus 7 plus 5q squared, enter. And we're going to write that number down, okay? So we have 374 over 3. So now what I'm looking for is for one of these answer choices to be the same as 374 over 3. So now we're going to do A. We're going to try A. So I'm going to do 9q squared minus control divide 5 over 3 q, put that 1 on top, minus 3, enter. And it gave me 73. So these two numbers are not the same, so we can eliminate A. So I'm going to try B. I'm going to try this one, B. So I have 9q squared minus 2q 1 minus 3, enter, and that gave me 72. So these aren't the same, so I'm going to eliminate B, and I'm going to try C. 14q squared minus 2q1 plus 14 over 3, enter. And that gave me 374 over 3, which is the same. This is the same, all right, same. That is correct. So that may be my answer, but I'm going to try D just in case. So let me do D. So 14q squared minus 5 over 3 q1 minus 14 over 3, enter. That gave me 349 over 3, which is not the same. So C is my answer. Let's try number 2, example 2. Which function is equivalent to f of x equals negative 4 parentheses x plus 7 parentheses squared minus 6? So my important word again is equivalent, meaning same. And there's a different way you could have solved this one, and I'm going to show you on number 2. So on this one, we did the var method, and on this one, we're going to do the graph method. All right, so what we're going to do first is graph my first equation. So go home, new document, and put graph. I'm going to graph negative 4 x plus 7 squared on top minus 6, enter. And you see the graph right over here? So we're going to do menu 5-1 and try to find the top of the graph so we can see it better. And there we go. So we're matching this graph. So we have blue. We're going to write the color blue. We want either A, F, G, H, or J to fall on top of blue. So my graph looks like this. I want the new graph to fall right on top of it, like that. Okay? So let's graph F. So we're going to press tab, and we're going to type in negative 4x squared minus 56x minus 202. Enter. And see how that red graph fell right on top? So this is red. This is probably my answer. Most likely it is. But I'm gonna show you G as well. So G is negative 4x squared plus 14x plus 43. Enter, and see how that one did not fall on top of blue? So we can eliminate it. Black, that was black. So we can eliminate G. Now we're going to try H. Tab. Negative 4x squared minus 56x minus 172. Enter. And see how that one's purple? And it didn't fall on top, so we can eliminate H. And then we'll press tab. And we'll try J. Negative 4x squared plus 190, enter, and that one's green, and it did not fall anywhere close to the blue. So F is my answer. And you could have also done example 2 with var if you wanted. Either way works.